If your company is specialized in rising dam treatments and you want to benefit from the latest cutting-edge technology, you will be very interested in what I'm going to tell you in the next 90 seconds. I'm Ramon Mestre, CEO of Humicontrol, company founded in 1982. 40 years focused on developing, manufacturing, and distributing permanent solutions against rising dam that affects masonry on ground floors and basements of all buildings. Humicontrol was the first company to develop wireless devices to treat rising dam problems in Spain, and has evolved polarity reversal systems reaching MURSEC ECO with smart polar embedded technology, the most effective and fastest drying system. No matter how heterogeneous and thick the wall is, we are offering the best technology of the market. With thousands of treatments carried out, we have acquired in-depth knowledge of the entire process, from diagnose to rising dam treatment, and always with the maximum warranties. The same technology that we use to dry out historical buildings like Sagrada Familia is also affordable to solve rising dam in private homes. Humicontrol is now growing internationally all over Europe and worldwide. The cutting-edge technology of the market at a very competitive price, and all our know-how that you can leverage from to create successful business models in your area. If your company is specialized in rising dam treatments, you have a website targeting this market, and you want to adopt Humicontrol technology, you only have to fill out the attached form. We will quickly evaluate your request and will contact you personally so that you can succeed with this business opportunity. The sooner the better. We are waiting for you.